Hey there! So today I'm going to be sharing some of my space-saving tips that I've implemented into my small condo here. I bought a condo here near Seattle about 4 years ago, 2012. And so here we go. This is one space-saving tip I've used. This is a little wall hook. So this hook is actually part of a larger hallway, and so you can use this to hang clothes on or whatnot. So very handy. And after you're done with it, you can just push it out the way. I got those from IKEA. I think they were 3 for $10 or something like that. There's a little adjuster there on the top. So the next space saving tip is going to be this little key cubby here, and I actually made this myself because I couldn't find one. Well, I did. They do sell some of these on the market, but I wasn't happy with any of them, and I thought they were either too big, too small, or too ugly. So I went ahead and just made a, basically took my drywall saw and I cut it a rectangle. And I took some spare wood that I had laying around and I made a box. Basically then I bought some trim from the Home Depot and I just used my miter saw, cut these at 45-degree angles, painted it and glued it and stuck it in there. And then I got these little keyhole fasteners from the Home Depot as well. Some little felt from Joann's Fabrics. Glued that on there, and yeah, it works really good. If you're going to have a key holder in your hallway, it's either going to come out of the wall as a little shelf, or you can build it into the wall. So I decided to build it into the wall in order to save space. Next tip is shoe rack. I wanted something that would sit in front of my door, but I didn't want it to sit on the floor because it rains here in Seattle a lot, and you know the shoes are often wet when I come back home. So I thought this was the best solution that I saw. I've got a little board behind it because shoes can get dirty and make the wall dirty as well. I got this from some outlet and outfit in Oakland. It's a small, independent little store, and it was a little bit pricey, but it's worth it though because there's nothing else like it that I know of. Basically, the shoes kind of go back and forth. And they just sort of hang here. There's room for 3 pairs, and that's really all I need because I'm the only person living here. So, yeah, it works really good. Next space saver is this little outlet. And the reason why I like this is because it's a night light. And it's a built-in night light. And oftentimes you have night lights that stick out of the wall and they're too bright or they're not bright enough. And so I thought this was a really good idea. I forget how much this was. I think it was $20, $30, whatever it was. But I really, really like this. And it's a modern outlet with the kid-proof feature. So if the kids stick something like a wire in there, they won't get shocked. It's got some sort of safety feature. This little grid here slides out. Actually, if you want this to be one solid light. Light, you could have it like that. This also adjusts, so you can have light, and then you can actually adjust the intensity of the light there. So I usually have it at the number 3 setting, not too light, not too dark. So really cool feature there. This is probably my biggest space saver. It's a loft bed that I built. I used the cedar wood. I just went to the Home Depot and bought a bunch, cut it up with my miter saw, and it turned out really good. I have my desk underneath, and the bed and the mattress is very comfortable, very soft. This ladder here I ordered special. I wasn't going to build that myself. That's a little too hard for me. And underneath I've got the bed slats. I got those from IKEA. I didn't want to make those either. That was a little too intensive for me. I could have done it, but I didn't want to. Basically, I bought some 1x6s, cedar woods, and I put those down first. And then I took some 2x4, and I made sure I affixed the 1x6s into the studs. Then I bought some 2x4s, and I attached the 2x4s to the 1x6s, and that made a small platform. And then I just basically did that for all 4 sides, put the slats on the inside. These handles here, this is my pull-up bar, so I can do little workouts, random pull-ups, because I don't have a pull-up bar anymore. So yeah, I'm really happy with this. It's a very stable loft bed. Okay, so this is some shelvings that I installed. I bought these from the Home Depot, and it's actually almost doubled my storage space. This closet didn't have any storage, so I put in a couple of these racks, and it's really made a big difference. It's really helped me to make a lot better use of this closet. I also installed this is a little bicycle hang, so I can hang my bicycle. I used to have a bicycle, I sold it, but yeah, this shelving has really been very useful, very handy for storage. And that's it. Thanks for watching.